I'm a police officer. My name's Sergeant Terry Burns. It's my badge. It's concerning me that you're filming me, sir. Can you answer any questions for me? Please allow my colleague to do her job. Please allow my colleague to do her job, sir. No. If you're interfering with a police officer in the lawful execution of their duty, I will remind you that that is an offence. Please,
step out of my way.
I'm not in your way. I'm not in your way.
I'm walking.
You are interfering. You're attempting to interfere.
Do not touch me, and do not
interfere with a police officer.
I'm looking at her thin blue line badge. I'm looking at her thin blue line badge. She shouldn't be wearing it. Tell her to take it off.
I'm not instructing the officer to do that,
Well,
sir.
I will. Take off your badge.
The officer.
Take off your thin blue line badge. It's banned.
Is in lawful execution of her duty.
Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. I don't want to talk to you.
That is fine.
Okay, so go away now. Go away now. No, you're not instructing me anything.
I'm instructing you.
Don't instruct me
that if
nothing.
you interfere,
I'm not talking to her. I'm not talking to her. Have you heard me talk to her?
As the sergeant claimed the auditor was obstructing a female officer, the footage shows the opposite reality. The auditor's lens stays fixed on the sergeant, therefore no disruption occurs to her assigned duty. Turning a calm recording into an offense reflects more than poor instruction. It signals active resistance to accountability. Worse still, it originates from a sergeant expected to guide others honorably. Instead, he wields authority to bully a lawful recorder without any valid reasoning whatsoever.
Have you heard me talk to her? Have you heard me talk to her? Have you heard me talk to her?
Yes, I have, sir.
When have I, don't lie, you're on camera.
It's on your phone,
You're
sir.
right.
You've been talking to my colleague,
No,
sir.
I've been talking.
Yes,
I said you tell her to take off the badge.
You've asked me
I asked
when.
you. Tell her to take that badge off. It's against the Met uniform. You shouldn't be wearing it.
Can we ask what you're doing here, though?
Yeah, I'm looking at you taking off. I want you to take that badge off. So that's what you know. What I'm doing. Okay. I'm looking at you and telling you to take that badge off because you are wearing that badge. And I want you to take it off. It's a disgrace. It's a defaced union flag. We'll get in the van and do your job then. I can do what I want. I can do what I want. I can film the building.
It's a bit of concern for us, though, isn't it?
Why? Why? Tell me why. Tell me why.
It's a security risk.
Why? Why?
Police building with people going in and out.
And am I on a public pavement? Am I on a public pavement? Am I in a public pavement? Yes, you said. Yeah. I'm in a public space. So therefore, don't come up to me. Don't walk to me. Do not. And I'm not listening to you. Do not walk to me. I'm on the public pavement filming a building. No, I'm not. You're obstructing it.
They attempt to label the auditor as interfering with a female officer's responsibilities, yet the footage proves the reverse. He remains locked directly on the sergeant. Framing a recording as a violation is deliberate. It serves as a method to avoid oversight, and from a sergeant that behavior is humiliating. Later, they tagged him a security threat for filming officers entering and leaving with no logic involved. He calmly explained he stood on a public sidewalk, legally allowed to film the twist. Comes when the sergeant growls obstruction while his patrol car doors sit open, blocking the roadway. It is absurd and concerning.
Your car out the way. You keep on coming so close, don't you? You're intimidating me.
I'm not intimidating you, sir.
Section 5.
Oh,
yeah, you're causing me
what,
alarm, harassment and distress, okay? I don't care. I do not care. I'm telling you what I'm doing. Tell her to take that badge off. Go on, tell her to take the badge off. The badge is defaced union flag. It shouldn't be on your uniform.
We may seize that phone.
Oh, you won't.
Police and Criminal Evidence
No, you
Act.
won't. No, you won't.
If I think
you won't touch my phone.
Evidence on your phone.
There's no evidence on my phone for you. No, you won't. You won't. If you touch me or my phone, no, I'm not listening to you. I keep on telling you. No, you don't need to get close to me. Step away and stop pointing your finger. No, you won't.
This is not difficult,
no, you won't.
sir.
All right then. Well, I'll tell you won't take my phone.
You're telling me what, sir?
You won't take my phone.
If I feel there's evidence.
Oh, what evidence?
On your phone,
as what evidence to do what?
I will take
of what crime?
Under the Police and Criminal Evidence Act,
What crime?
It's
not. Police and Criminal Act does not allow you to take my phone. You need to articulate a crime.
It does, sir.
What's the crime?
When a sergeant warns he will seize the auditor's phone under the Evidence Act, he cannot even identify any offense. The law allows confiscation only if officers reasonably believe an item contains evidence of an actual crime. Recording on a public sidewalk, even near police, does not meet that standard. This situation is unlawful confusion. It represents clear abuse of authority by flashing legal jargon as intimidation. He tries to frighten the auditor into surrendering his phone, yet when questioned about the alleged crime, there is silence. No theft, No assault, no violation. Without a defined charge, there is no lawful right to search personal property.
If I believe,
What's the crime?
Well, you have indicated.
Yeah, go on.
You're alleging that an officer is wearing something they shouldn't, sir.
She is.
Oh, evidence then, sir.
Evidence from me.
Yes. And
Yes,
I will take the evidence from you.
Why? Why?
Under the
What
Police
crime is it?
Evidence
What
Act.
crime am I doing? Is it a crime to identify a defaced union flag for police?
If you're saying
What do you want?
evidence
What do you want?
then we can seize that, can't we, as evidence?
Film yourself.
Pardon?
Film yourself.
I don't need to film myself.
Oh, are you filming me?
Pardon?
Are you filming me?
Yeah.
Have you told me?
You haven't told me you're filming me.
Have you told me?
No.
It's within your policy to state at the first
Policy is
practical,
not law that I
at the
tell you
first practical opportunity to let me know that you are filming me. Okay? And you haven't even done that, have you? You haven't even gone by your policies. That means you're a tyrant.
It's policy that it's not.
You're a
it's not
tyrant.
to do that, is it?
Of course it is. Are you mad? You're supposed to be telling people that you're filming them. You know GDPR? State of protection.
When the directive highlights that policy requires officers to announce when they're recording, she snaps back, saying it's policy, not law, yet these rules guide all officer behavior and protect public confidence. Disregarding them is not a small mistake. It weakens accountability and drifts toward GDPR danger when a government official captures private information without notice.
Step on your way. Move your car. It's obstructing.
You're currently obstructing the public highway.
No, I'm not.
sir.
I'm walking up and down. So I'm not currently doing anything. You're currently obstructing the public highway. Yeah? You're just trying to you're trying to lie. I think that's called manifest. Yeah, in public office. Yeah,
Sorry,
I think
what's it
so.
called, sir?
Don't worry about what it's called. Tell me what pace is. Tell me what crime I'm committing. Huh?
Sir, please stop filming me,
Muppet.
sir. Please stop filming.
I will keep on filming you. I'm allowed to film.
He's filming the building. He's filming.
My body one's cameras on.
Officers,
Thank you for telling me your body worn cams. Thank you for upholding your policy.
Yeah.
Hold on a second.
You're right. Sorry.
I don't know what's actually happening.
So he's filming. Speak to me, talk to my colleague.
You can talk as much as you like. It's a public place. Make privacy if you want to. Go on then.
He's filming personal cars from his
No, I wasn't. No, I wasn't. Stop lying. Stop lying. Stop lying. I wasn't doing
My
that.
colleague's coming in and out in their personal
No,
cars.
he's not coming in and out in his personal car. He was going in and I was filming. I didn't go to him and I didn't film his.
The officer alleged the auditor was recording the sergeant moving in and out from his cruiser, but in truth the vehicle had just barely arrived. The auditor stayed on public sidewalk, exercising his lawful right to film, while the sergeant decided to insert himself. By reframing a legal action as stalking the sergeant's actions, the officer created suspicion to justify additional involvement, and the auditor was correct to challenge that. Invented storyline.
Off you go. Dismissed. Walk of shame. Off you go. I'm not being rude. I'm telling him. No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
Why? When you're telling
no, I'm
someone
not.
off you go.
Off you go. Dismissed.
excuse me, officer.
Rude is not a crime.
To say, if this gentleman has any footage on his phone of my car's registration number, okay, I fear under the Terrorism Act, unless we prove otherwise, that I'm in danger.
Yeah.
And I want this gentleman to understand that if I feel I'm in danger, he's refused to provide any details of what he's doing here, okay? If I feel that you're trying to identify me personally, sir.
Did you drive up? Did you drive up? Did I come to you? Did I ask you,
You have
anything?
immediately
Did
started
I
filming
ask you anything? You stopped your car and you said to me, what am I doing? Who am I? So get in your car and go away. Stop trying to incriminate people and abuse their rules and laws.
Standing in front of his unit, the sergeant invokes a terrorism statute merely because his vehicle registration was recorded, a claim lacking any legal basis. License plates visible in public carry no special protection, and no court has ever ruled that photographing them constitutes terrorist conduct. Section 43 permits stops only where there is a legitimate suspicion of terrorism. Feeling uncomfortable about a plate seen on a public road does not remotely satisfy that threshold.
Your visit today here, sir.
She's wearing a defaced union flag and she should take it off. That's what she should be doing. You should be telling her to take off, or he, she, them, however she wants to be represented,
What's the purpose of
that
your visit
she
today?
shouldn't be wearing a defaced union flag on her uniform. That Muppet, whoever he is, no, I can call him a Muppet.
Why?
Because I can.
No one's calling you.
It's not a swear word, is it? Is Muppet a swear word?
trying to keep
Is
it
Muppet a swear word? Is Muppet a swear word? I'm asking you.
What's the
No.
purpose of your
So I can
visit?
call him a Muppet, can't I?
What's the purpose of
Yeah?
your visit
Can I
today?
call him a Muppet? Can I call him a Muppet? Is it a swear word? don't be civil, I'm not your mate, okay? If you want to be civil, go inside, leave me alone, because I'm doing nothing wrong, okay? Off your pop.
What is the purpose of the visit?
It all began when a sergeant wrongly accused the auditor of obstructing a female officer. The video, however, reveals the truth. His camera stayed locked on the sergeant, and he never moved toward her. This type of bait and switch is a familiar tactic used to escape oversight. It is especially troubling coming from someone expected to lead by example after that they attempted to label him a security threat simply for calmly filming. Officers arriving and leaving, he reminded them he was standing on a public sidewalk, exactly where the law allows anyone to record. At the same time, the sergeant's own patrol vehicle sat partially in the road with doors fully open, blocking traffic, obstructing. What exactly? Then came the threat to seize his phone under pace. When asked what offense had occurred, the sergeant hesitated. Pace only permits seizures when there is reasonable suspicion of a specific crime, which lawful filming does not satisfy. He waved legal language like a weapon, hoping to intimidate the auditor into compliance, but without a real charge. There was no authority to search a civilian's device. When informed that policy requires officers to announce when they are recording, the female constable snapped back, saying that is policy, not law. Yet those rules exist to protect public trust and maintain GDPR compliance. State officials must notify people when collecting personal data. Ignoring that duty damages transparency and invites legal danger. To make it worse, the officer misled her colleagues by claiming the auditor filmed the sergeant stepping in and out of his car when the man had not even arrived yet. That distortion was designed to frame innocent filming as suspicious behavior to justify further action. The sergeant's final move was invoking terrorism legislation solely because his license plate appeared on camera. A claim with no legal foundation. Section 43 applies only where there is genuine suspicion of terrorism, not discomfort over a visible plate on a public street. In the end, after contradiction piled upon contradiction, the sergeant retreated to his vehicle and drove away. His hostile conduct, refusal to follow basic policy, and misuse of legal terminology were more than unprofessional. They reflected a collapse of leadership and disregard for public rights. When officers criminalize lawful recording, they damage the credibility of the entire force. That concludes today's episode. If you found this valuable, press like, leave a comment, and subscribe. It truly helps me continue providing independent coverage. And remember to visit Yardley's ski auditing. Links are in the description. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next.